of the way, you're telltale telling on me. You're telltale telling. Oh my goodness. Right. The pigeons are following me or anything. They are grassing me up. You can't discreetly, like the swans, look, they're all standing up there. They think I've given up. Right, we've got to try and discreetly chuck it in. One of the little ones will spot, look, no, look, one spot show and they're all at it. Look, no, we're getting in trouble again. One spots and they all come at ya. Oh my goodness, how many coots? There, darling. The problem is I can't feed the pigeon, guys. If you're wondering why I'm not feeding the pigeons, because they... you give the pigeons some. Oh, this looks like a cross between... Oh, I can't give them to... No, the pigeons are grassing. Oh, there's a little thrush. Oh, I haven't got anything for you. Oh, I have. Hold on. There's a little baby thrush. Hold on. I've got a mealworm for him. Hold on, mister. Oh, no. I've got a mealworm out in my hand, especially. Oh, I've got a thrush on my hand. Oh, my goodness. Hold on. I don't want the pigeons to fly up. Look, watch, here he comes. No, not pigeons, Mister. Oh, look, there's a baby thrush. Look. Come out of the way, pigeons. Come out of the way. Come on, darling. Oh. His claws are really sharp. Oh, my goodness. Oh, is it a starling? I thought it was a thrush. Hold on, because on that picture it showed you. Hold on a minute. Their claws are really sharp. Hold on. Mister! Is that a starling? Oh, he's getting attacked by the pigeon. The pigeon wants his mealworm. Hold on. Claws are really sharp. I think I do have a spare glove in my pocket, which I should really put on because I've got the mealworms in my hands. Otherwise, hold on. Let me put a glove on because. Come on. Someone's videoing me. I'm probably going to appear in some local paper not feeding the birds. Oh, he's got beautiful colours. Oh, we're getting blown, miss. Oh my goodness, look at that dust. Oh, we're getting covered in dust, guys. There's a sandstorm. Oh my goodness, there's a sandstorm. Hang on, let me just move over here. There's a sandstorm. Right, there's sand.